Hi friends, myself Deacon Arle, working as an assistant professor, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Today we will discuss coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry is branch of chemistry which deals with study of coordination compound. Coordination compound means the central atom surrounded by ligands. Nature of ligand is positive, negative, and neutrals. In this slide, discussion about the formation of coordinate bond. What is coordinate bond? Coordinate bond is, according to Lewis, a bond formed when the two electrons required for sharing between two atoms are contributed by one atom only. It is denoted by arrow pointing from donor to acceptor. In pointing, donor atom contain at least one lone pair and acceptor atom contain at least one empty orbitals. Examples: ammonium ions. Conditions for the formation of coordinate bonds. First condition: donor atom should have at least one lone pair of electrons. Second condition: acceptor atom must have at least one empty orbital in valence shell. Third condition: atomic orbital of donor species containing lone pair of electrons should be able to overlap with the empty orbital of the acceptor species. From this condition, two example we will study. First example, ammonium ion. In ammonium ion, ammonia act as a Lewis base, while H plus ion is act as a Lewis acid. In central atom in ammonia overlaps with empty orbital of H plus to form ammonium ion in first example. Second examples, ammonia act as a Lewis base and boron trifluoride act as a Lewis acids. In central atom in ammonia, lone pair overlaps with empty orbital of boron to form adductor. This is the second examples. Distinguish between the double salts and complex salts. In double salts, molecular compounds which exist only in the crystalline state but lose their identity in solution is called as a double salt. But in complex salt, molecular compounds containing at least one complex ion is called as a complex salt. In second point, double salt, its solution gives positive test for the constituent ions. In complex salt, its solution does not give positive test for all the constituent ions. Third point, in double salt, nature of bonding is ionic, weak, van der Waals forces, but in complex salt, nature of bonding is ionic, covalent, and coordinate bond, etc. In double salts, it is the association of two or more simple salts in crystalline state. Example: potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate in water to form double salts. That is the potassium aluminum sulfate salt. In complex salt, it is the mixing of two or more simple salt to form complex salt. Example: 4 potassium cyanide plus FeCN2 to form potassium hexacyanoferrate complex salt. And 6th point is the examples of double salts and complex salts. Thank you for watching and listening.